Good morning,
morning,
children. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, beta.
Sorry, ma'am.
Good morning. Let's wait for others to join. Shatakshi, beta, open your camera. So, how were your holidays? 5 days holidays. How were they?
Ma'am, nice.
Good. You relaxed? Huh?
Ma'am.
Yes,
Good. Very nice. How many of you studied? Oh,
ma'am,
come on.
2 days only.
All right.
Ma'am, I study full GK and computer full.
Full GK and full computer. Very nice.
Ma'am, I done French.
You studied French?
Bonjour, ma'am.
Bonjour.
Yes, sir. Bonjour, ma'am.
Bonjour, beta. Bonjour. Okay, now what we'll do today is we'll do some revision. And what kind of revision? You don't have to open your books, nothing doing with the copies. All you will do is I will dictate you a few things. Okay, it will be dictation and you are supposed to type it in the chat box. All right. The only thing that I'll ignore is the accents because it is difficult to put accents. On phone, it is very easy. Do you know how to put accents on phone? All of you know it? Like suppose
Ma'am,
there, yes, long press E, long press A, and there are various options that are given.
Yes, ma'am.
You can choose the correct one and put it. But on laptop, it is going to be a little difficult for you. So those who are working from a computer, I can ignore your accents. Okay, Sanidhe, Ashmira, Shrey, and Vansh. Beta, open your cameras, all of you.
Ma'am, I'm doing my tab. It will be easy to me.
Okay. So the first sentence is that you're supposed to type is, this is why I'm doing this. This is to ensure that your understanding, your listening, and also your writing comes out in a proper way. Because there are spellings that you would not find, like in exams, you will still do it after learning, but this is a good time to see where you actually stand. The first sentence
Okay.
is Tutapel Shivam. Shivam is an Indian name. Nothing doing. You can write any name. Tutapel dash. Tutapel dash. Not even a single answer in the chat box till now. What happened? Is it that difficult, children?
Ma'am,
the word is Kama Tutapel.
No, Tutapel dash. You can write any name. Very nice. I have received answer from Chatakshi. Correct, beta. Waiting for others' answers also. Good morning, Parth. Only one reply in the chat box. What about others? Beta, I am dictating you a few sentences or words. You are supposed to type it in the chat box. Okay, the first sentence was Tyuta Pel, and you can write any name after it. Tyuta Pel. Only two answers, Ashmira and Shatakshi.
Chat disabled.
Chat disabled, not at all. No chat is disabled. No, beta, I have opened it. I have allowed participants to chat, to unmute
Yes,
themselves, to rename themselves, to chat, to start video. You are allowed for everything. What about others? Pranjal, Shrey, Kamakshi. Kamakshi, why haven't you typed your answer yet? Daksh, Om Gupta, Sanidhya.
Ma'am, only one word is missing in my.
Parth, try it, beta.
Yes.
How will you type?
No, it's telling.
How will you type Tyuta Pel, and you can write any name after it. Still no answer. Good morning, beta. Good morning, Vidushi. All right. So rest all get a 0 here.
Ma'am, what happened?
Only Shatakshi and Ashmira have scored 1 mark each, 1 point each. Beta, I'm giving you dictation and you are supposed to type it in the chat box. Very good, Kamakshi. Correct one. Tyutapel Shiva. Correct spellings. The next word, what you have to type is bon anniversaire. Bon anniversaire.
What we can do
What we can do?
today?
Beta, I'm giving you some words to type. Wait, I'm giving you a dictation. You have to type these words in the chat box and show me.
Please tell me which
The word is, the first one was Tyutapel and any name. And the second one is bon anniversaire. And Parth, what are you saying me thank you for? Thank you for what, beta? You have got a 0. Why are you saying thank you?
No, ma'am.
Then,
Ma'am, please repeat the word again.
bon anniversaire. Bon anniversaire. Bon anniversaire. What does bon anniversaire mean? It means happy birthday. You remember we did it from the workbook, bon anniversaire?
Yes, I know.
Yes. So I'm typing, oh sorry, I'm waiting for you all to type. Very good, Sanidhe. Very good. Shatakshi. Ani was there. Correct spellings. And who else? Just two again. Where is your answer, Ashmira? Okay, I have only Sanidhe's answer, Shatakshi's answer, and Ashmira. Ashmira, beta, your spellings are wrong. In the end, after anniversary, in the word anniversary, we put E in the end. Vidushi, born anniversary. All right, I'm going to type the correct spellings in the chat box. Born anniversary. That's the correct spellings. All of you, please check those who are not answering.
This is
Ma'am,
a
minus
spelling of anniversary.
No, this is the word stands for birthday.
Okay.
Born anniversary. Okay, next. The next is,
Ma'am, for birthday.
yes, anniversary in French. Anniversaire in French is birthday. Then after it we have pardonnez-moi. Now what is pardonnez-moi?
Ma'am, please repeat the word again.
The word is pardonnez-moi.
ma'am, can I tell the meaning in English?
All right, you can tell the translation in English.
Ma'am, give me.
Huh? What does it mean?
Ma'am, give me.
Give me. No, pardonnez-moi is not give me. Donnez-moi means give me. Pardonnez-moi
Ma'am,
is
forgive me.
forgive. Okay,
Ma'am,
yes.
forgive me.
All right, forgive me. Forgive or pardon me. Now let me see who types the correct spelling. Who knows the correct spelling? Sanidhe beta wrong. Shatakshi wrong. Pardonnez. Pardonnez. Pardonnez-moi. Okay, you want me to type the spellings in the chat box now?
No, ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, can I write one more time?
Yes, try it. Shalima, no beta, wrong. Shatakshi, again wrong. Pardonnez-moi. Now everybody see in the chat box. Children, what is the syllabus for your UT1? Tell me. What is the syllabus?
Ma'am, lesson 0 and 1. Ma'am, lesson
Lesson
0 and
0
1.
and 1.
Lesson 0 and 1.
And what is the date of your exam? How many of you remember on what date it is?
Ma'am, 22 July.
No, not 22nd July.
Ma'am, it is on 22.
Ma'am, 19th July.
Yes, somewhere in on 19th or 17th.
No, ma'am, it is on 19th.
It's on 19th. Okay, yes. I'll just
Yes,
confirm it. Wait. All of you are confirmed it is on 19th? Let me check the date
Yes,
sheet.
ma'am. Can I send this?
Ma'am, the new date sheet.
Yes, there was some change in the date sheet. You are class 6, right?
Yes,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
have
6.
Yes. Class 6th has it on 19th of July. All right. So children, how many days are left for your exam?
Ma'am, 10.
Ma'am, 8 days.
8 days. So we'll have one more class after it, right? Just one more class before your exams will begin. So beta, it's high time start doing some learning work also. Okay, your spellings do not justify
Yes,
your
ma'am.
studies. They are clearly telling that you are not very clear about it. Okay, next is entre s'il te plaît.
Ma'am, can you please check the spelling
Entre
of
s'il-
pardonnez-moi?
Pardonnez-moi, I have typed in the chat box to everyone. See, check it
Ma'am.
there. Pardonnez-moi.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. I got.
Now, the next one is entre s'il te plaît. Entre s'il te plaît means come in, please. Come in, please. Entre s'il te plaît. These all expressions I am speaking from chapter number 1.
Ma'am, please tell again.
Ma'am, please repeat again.
Entre s'il te plaît.
Ma'am, is Shatakshi correct?
No, you have typed entre s'il vous plaît. I'm saying entre s'il te plaît. S'il te plaît.
Ma'am, what is the word, ma'am? Please repeat.
Entre s'il te plaît. Ashmira, correct. And Shalima, also correct. Very nice. Entre s'il te plaît. How many others are answering? I'll wait for you. Tell me. Very good, Sanidhya. Correct answer. Vidushi is typing. Okay, Vidushi, I'll wait for you. What does entre s'il te plaît means? Come in, please.
Come in, please.
Come in, please. Come in, please.
Come
Very
in,
good.
please. Ma'am, please check my.
Kamakshi, entre s'il te plaît. Correct, beta. Correct.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Is see in the chat box. I have sent it in the chat box. Entre s'il te plaît. Very good. Okay, now listen to the next one very carefully. Merci beaucoup, monsieur. Merci beaucoup, monsieur.
Ma'am, thank a lot.
Thanks a lot. What? And after that, what? The last word stands for? Thanks a lot. Monsieur. What is monsieur? Yes, yes.
Ma'am,
Tell. Sorry? Who will
Ma'am,
tell?
sir.
Sir. Very nice. Thanks a lot, sir. Merci beaucoup, monsieur. Let me see now who types it correctly. Oh, I have sent the answer. What
Ma'am, you
about
have
other
sent-
students? What about other students? Why are they not sending
Ma'am-
me the answers? Daksh?
Ma'am, you have sent the answer. But
Yes, beta, I know I have sent the answer. Merci beaucoup, monsieur. Very good, Shatakshi. Correct. Shalima Noor, correct. Parth Gupta doesn't want to type any answer. Daksh doesn't want to type. Mohammad Azan, Shrey Kakkar. All of you are sitting just for time pass in the class. Is it? Okay, ready for the next one? The
Yes,
next,
ma'am.
okay. Now listen to it. It's a long sentence. Je suis comme si comme ça, madame. Je suis comme si comme ça, madame.
Ma'am, what is the sentence? Please repeat.
Je suis comme si comme ça, madame. Shrey, beta, what is this? Which language is this? That means you have never opened your book also. Je suis comme si comme ça, madame. Shrey, beta, so do you have the PDF or you don't have it? I have always provided the PDF before starting any class. Haven't you kept it safe?
Ma'am, please repeat. I can't understand it.
Je suis comme si comme ça, madame. This is class 6th day. I have sent again the PDF on the class group. All of you check it.
Ma'am, can I tell the meaning of madam?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, madam.
Very nice. Not even a single answer in the chat box.
Ma'am, please repeat it again.
Beta, it is je suis comme si comme ça. Je suis comme si comme ça. How many of you remember the meaning of comme si comme ça? Sanidhya, beta, wrong answer. Okay, now everybody just see in the chat box. Now you remember what is comme si comme ça? What does it mean?
So.
Yes. So. Just okay. Mute yourself, Parth. Ready for the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Shatakshi, beta, what have you typed? Excusez-moi, vous vous appelle. What is it? Okay, the next one says now, comment ça va? Comment ça va? Okay, very nice. Kamakshi has sent. Very good. Shalima Noor has sent. Como ça va? And who
Ma'am,
else
can I
will
tell
send?
comment
Very
about?
good. Ashmira. Ashmira has also sent.
Ma'am, can I tell what's the meaning of Komukava?
Yes. Tell what is the meaning.
How are you?
Very good. How are you? And is it formal or informal?
Ma'am, it is how are you to our friend.
Yes. So that means it is informal.
Informal.
Yes. Now, the next thing that you're supposed to type is enchante. Now, what is enchante? Let me see how many of you can type it correct. Enchante.
Ma'am, it is spelling like a Bengali word.
Yes. Good one. Enchante.
Ma'am, please say the word again.
The word is enchante. Very good, Ashmira. Ashmira has given the answer.
Ma'am, can I tell the meaning?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, delighted.
Yes, delighted or pleased to meet you, happy to meet you. Nobody else is typing the answer, this one.
Ma'am, typed.
Vidushi, beta, you have typed it like how it is sounding in English. But in French, yes, in French, what is it?
Enchante.
Enchante. So what is on sound in French? It's en. And sh sound is ch.
Ma'am, what is O-N?
Now on is again on, but depends on the word. On sound in French comes from en. En stands for on. Enchante. Everybody say in the chat box, I have sent the answer. Enchante. This is how you write enchante. Then the next one is,
And it is correct.
yes, now it's correct. The next word, Le Louvre. Le Louvre.
Ma'am, La Lu.
Yes, Le Louvre. Louvre. You remember what a Louvre is? What Louvre is? Le Louvre. Le Louvre. No, wrong. Le Louvre is the name of a museum. This much hint I can give you.
Sorry.
Le Louvre. Okay, Shrey Kakkar, very near to it, beta. Very nice. Shalimar, good one. Museum of Paris. Le Louvre. Good. Only Shalimar's answer is correct so far.
Ma'am, is my answer correct?
Now my
What?
answer is correct.
Whose answer? Okay, Ashmira's answer is correct. Shatakshi's answer is also correct. See, those who don't know, see in the chat box, beta, I have sent. Le Louvre. Okay. Next. Now you have to give a name of a cheese, a famous cheese of France. You can give any one name of a famous cheese of France.
Okay.
Very nice, Shalima, Ashmira, and Kamakshi. Good. Le Camembert, Le Camembert or Le Gruyere, anyone. Very good. Next, now what you have to name? You have to name Paris. Now, what is Paris known as? In French, don't type it in English. Paris is known as the city of lights. Now, what is the city of lights called in French language? You have to type it.
Ma'am, I know.
What?
Ma'am, I know what is French. Ma'am, Paris known as in French.
Very nice. Very good. Type it. Only Shalima has typed the correct answer.
I just sent ma'am 1 minute.
Very good. Shatakshi has also sent. Very nice.
Tell me what we have to type.
What is Paris known as in French? What is Paris known as? It is known as the city of lights. Now, what is the city of lights called in French?
Ma'am, please check my
I
answer.
sent it.
Very good, Vidushi. Very nice. Vidushi has sent. Vidushi and Kamakshi and Shatakshi, Shalima. They all have sent. Next. You want me to type what it is said? You want me to tell you?
No,
Oh, ma'am,
ma'am.
I have typed for everyone only.
Very nice. Vidushi has already typed it for everyone. La Vie Lumière. Now next, what you have to type is, tell any one landmark of France.
Okay.
Any one important landmark of France.
No, it is very easy.
Very nice. Shalima, correct. Shatakshi, your answer is correct, beta, but the spellings are wrong. Ashmira, correct. Kamakshi, correct.
Ma'am, please see, I have also sent.
Okay, Latour, Effil, correct. Effil. So either your answer can be La Tour Eiffel or it could be La Cathédrale. Any of the two. Now, what you
You have
do?
noted us.
Yes?
Ma'am, you have also told us to write in our notebooks also.
Yes, I told you. Now, what is France known as? The synonym of France.
Ma'am, I know.
Or what is France known as by its other name?
Ma'am, please see, I have sent it.
Ma'am, please see. I
Very
have also sent it.
nice. Shatakshi, Kamakshi, Ashmira, Vidushi. All have sent the correct answer. Now you have to tell me what is French flag called in French language. What is French flag called in French language? And
Okay.
also name its colors alongside. The colors are also supposed to come in French.
Yes, ma'am, I know. Ma'am, I have sent it. Please see. Ma'am,
Okay,
the name
very
of the
nice. Shatakshi, Le Drapeau Français. And Vidushi, beta, you have just named the colors. You have not
I just
written
sent it.
what it is
I'm
called.
typing.
Sanidhe, same is the case with you. The colors are correct.
Ma'am, I just sent it once.
Ma'am, I have sent it. Please see.
Okay. Okay, Shalima, beta, spellings are wrong. Drapeau and Ashmira, Francais spelling is wrong. I think that's by mistake you have done. Okay, correct. Now, next question is,
Ma'am, 1 second, ma'am.
When is the Republic Day of France?
Okay.
Just one last question. Let me see who types it fast.